Now let me carefully explain how to create AI slow-motion videos using CapCut on your phone, step by step, for your convenience and enjoyment. Now, let's open CapCut and carefully add your video. For instance, we can use this video. Click on Add twice, just like this. Great. Now we're ready to proceed with editing. Now, let's move to the next step. We click on your video and carefully look for the option labeled Speed to adjust it. Now let's carefully select the center option, where you will find a couple of really cool slow-motion video effects that you can use to enhance your footage, creating stunning visual experiences. You can choose something like this, right? Here the girl walks slower and then speeds up, creating a captivating visual effect that draws attention. Now, as you can see here, you will watch this. The girl is walking. Here it was fast and then it continues at a normal pace, creating a dynamic visual experience. There's something really interesting here. She moves quickly, then slows down, and finally goes at a steady, moderate pace, captivating all. There are a couple of transitions available here. You can experiment with different options to find what suits your needs best. Feel free to choose whatever you like most. And of course, you can simply enter here and choose the speed you need for your video. Just like that. It's that easy. Thank you all for watching this video. Wishing everyone good luck and goodbye for now.